Hi gorgeous, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. I'm Kasaru, and today's video we are going to be recreating this eye look, and we're going to do something a little bit different. So it's going to be like palette bingo, where I do like a number generator and then it sort of picks the colours I'm going to do from the palette. I'm going to do something completely different. I don't think anyone's done it like this before in the makeup world. Maybe they have. If they have, let me know down below. Because this idea came to me today and I thought it'd be kind of fun. It's like a trial and error, we'll see how it goes. So it's going to be guess the palette. I'm going to put some clues in the description box down below. And I'm going to do this eye look, but I'm not going to tell you the palette. I'm not going to tell you what colours I'm using. You have to guess, okay? You have to guess what the palette is I'm using. And there will be some clues down below, okay? So yeah, let's get straight into it. Okie dokie. So this is different and this is new because I kind of want to hold up the palette to show you what I'm using, but I'm not going to. Okay. So I'm just going to say, I'm going to start off with this colour. And then when you do know what the palette is, if you do guess it right, yeah, I'll let you know like who the winner is and who guessed it correctly, or how many of you did guess it correctly. But yeah, I just thought it'd be kind of fun and something different. And then somebody might be like, oh yeah, I wonder what that is. And then, yeah, you have to wait until the next video to find out what it is. Okay, so I'm going in with this really nice orange shade. So it looks like. Really pigmented. Okay. And just pretty much got to focus that all over the eye. And I'm using like a little like stumpy pencil brush. It's got a hair on it. Get off. I'm just going to focus that. Just draw like a line basically of the lovely orange shade. These shades are really easy to blend. Yeah, exactly. They're really easy to blend. I do like this brand. And if you're guessing it's BH Cosmetics, it's not BH S Cosmetics, not BHS. I always do that. It's not BH Cosmetics. It's because in the UK we have a BHS shop, don't we guys? I always go to say that. And I'm just gonna flick that shade up like that. And yeah, just a wee bit more. Just they blend so effortlessly. There we go. And I've got my little pad here. I'm cleaning off my brushes with my brush in between. And now I'm gonna go in with my smudge brush. All my brushes are linked down below. If you're new here, these are Eco Tools brushes. I love them. I was about to show you the palette then and what I was going in with. Going into like this like greeny colour. I wonder what it could be. I wonder where this colour's from. Okay. We're just going to focus this shade in the outer corner. And sort of like take it up. We're sort of like doing a line. Where this colour meets. Let me know if you think this is kind of fun, like a fun way to do it. Or do you like those palette bingos? Would you like me to do palette bingos? I thought this was kind of fun and different. And you have to wait and find out what palette it is. And you have to actually guess. So yeah, I think this is kind of more fun. But let me know. I'm just going to fix that down there. We're sort of like almost creating like our own little wing. Look how bright though. Eye primer and all that jazz and everything else on my face I will link down below for you in case you're interested. This is not sponsored. No affiliate codes or links at the moment. I'm sorry guys. Can't get you any money off yet. Not yet. I'm going to take the same shade down at the bottom. Happy days. And I'm going to go along with this lovely blue shade. How pigmented. So pretty. And we're just going to put it underneath here. Just like that. A little bit more. Lovely jubbly. And now I'm going to take this lighter shade, like a nice minty sort of shade, and I'm just going to highlight this bit here, make this bit of the eye pop a bit more so it's a bit brighter, and I'm going to do the same underneath here, just ever so slightly. Okie dokie. Now I'm going to take one of my smaller brushes, my little pencil brush, and I'm going to take this Love Shy Glitter Fix Gel. You can pick this up on Amazon. Again, I'll link it down below for you. Just going to put a little bit on my brush, just like a glitter glue. Tap some excess off the back of my hand, and I'm going to put it on in the bit of this corner, and a bit more because I want to put it along this bit of my eyelid, just so it holds the shimmery shade a bit better. And this is just clear. I wasn't sure about this product before, I think I said, but in case you're new, I actually do really like this product. It looks like this. You can see. And yeah, I'll link it down below. You can pick it up on Amazon. So I'm just going to take the back of my brush, and I'll go in with the next shade, which is a lively sort of shimmery shade. I don't think my camera's going to pick it up. It's a lovely shimmery sparkly shade. Just got to focus this in the corner. Also now, because I did do it with a brush, it didn't really work with a brush, and I'm going to take my bit of a wet wipe, dump my finger. You can do glitter spray, fix setting spray, makeup spray. You get me. Or water would work, but just going to dump my finger, go back into that shade. The shade looks like this. It is beautiful, almost has like that wet look effect. I'm just going to turn off this light so you can see it a bit. Sometimes lights can wash colours out, can't they? But it's really pretty. I'll come closer to you in a minute and you'll have a better look. I don't know why I did this hand because I'm crossing over. I should just put it on this hand. But here we go. I'll just do it this way. And tap it on. But I'm now just going to switch hands and go over the other way. It's such a pretty colour. It's almost like pearlescent. It's so pretty. And I'm just going to pat that on, sort of overlap it a little bit, I guess. Oh, it's so nice. Going in again. I like to pat it and then do a swipe, because when you swipe it, it just has so much more like pigment that comes up. I'll come close to you so you can see. So pretty, so shimmery, so nice. I love these colours in this palette. Oh, makeup kiss. Okay, now going in with another shimmery colour in the corner. How my brush again? I need to clean my brushes. I'm just gonna pop, put that on there. So sparkly. Just gotta take that like that. I'm gonna do that side again actually. That's better. Clean off my brush. And just gonna go back in with that other lovely green shade. Just to deepen up this outer bit a bit more. And do that darker bit. Just a tad more. Lovely jubbly. And then with the lighter shade, just a bit there, just to make it pop a bit more. And again underneath. And I'll be back in a minute with mascara. No, I'm not. I lied to you. I'm back now. I'm going to line my eyes. My waterline. I'm going to do just white for a change. I'm going to do a nude. And this is Pure White 071. And this is a Rimmel. Just a simple Rimmel London pencil. Okay, guys. I'm just going to line my waterline. Like so. Do you know what the palette is that I'm using yet? Any guesses? Put them in the comment section. It'd be really fun to see what you guys guess. What the palette is. It's kind of hard. I'm not really giving much away, really. But some of you know what palettes I have. So you'll be thinking of the colours that I use and the shimmers. I'll get a bit more close and personal with you guys in a minute. Mascara wise, I'm using the Bourjois Palais. And it's the Push Up Glamour one. And it's waterproof. I do like this mascara. It doesn't smudge on me. But the brush is just mahoosive. It's just so big. It's really quite a whopper. And we're gonna just try our best to... Do you know what I haven't done? What's missing? I haven't done my little polka dots. Okay, brush is going back in. I was just looking in my mirror and I was like, something's not quite right. I've forgotten something. The dots. Back into the palette. Oops. Okay. Clean off my brush. This is what I want to use. Here we go. Going in with this lovely blue shade with my pencil brush. Just blow off any loose ends. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start here because we're sort of here. And just like gently pat it on. 3. And then 4. Lovely gently. And then again with my like glitter glue. Back of the hand a little bit. And then just go in the dots. With it, and then get off any of the excess. Don't want all that glue going into my shade I'm going with. Picking up the shimmer shade and then just putting it on top of the dots to get a bit of that sparkle coming through. And it's just something a bit different, something to show a bit of your makeup personality. I like it. I used to always do loads of dots when I did my makeup, but I haven't done it in ages. Not for a long time. And then this other creator, Nikki Lynn, she did a look not that long ago. I'll link one of her videos down below. She's so lovely. You should go check her out. She did like an eye look and she had like some dots and it just took me back to basically like when I was at school. I used to wear a lot of pink and stuff and I went for like a gothic phase and I did basically like the dots like she did. So yeah, so I guess the dots is sort of inspired from her and bringing the dots back into my makeup routine because I've forgotten how cool it is. So yeah, so thank you, Nikki. Little shout out to you. Right, what am I doing now before I forget? Getting carried away. Oh yeah, now it's mascara. Now it's mascara time. Okay, again, big fat off brush. Oh, she's scary. She's scary. She's not that scary. She's a bit scary. Big fat off tarantula leg, shall we say? Just gotta move my fringe out of the way and try not poke myself in the eye. Wish me luck. You could skip this bit if you want because it's probably a bit boring watching someone put on the mascara. I don't know. You might like it, you might not. This mascara though is really good. It does give my lashes like volume, but the brush is just really big. But I do sometimes clean off my other brush that I've used from the Maybelline Sky High. And I use that brush, but I need to give it a clean because it's not very, I don't feel like I should be dipping into one and then into another because I'm mixing the mascara and I'm putting on my eye and, you know, yeah. Not be doing that. Wiggle, wiggle, push. But you see, like, Look how big it makes my lashes. Just turn to the side so you can see. Focus camera. There we go. Just makes them really big, really big. And then like, it's not too bad. I have gotten used to the brush actually. It's not an ouchy brush or anything like that. I felt a bit intimidated by how big it is, but I'm guessing it's big like that for a reason. It gives the eyelashes, it lifts them up more. And you can do your lower lash line if you want to, optional, you don't have to. I just literally take the tiniest bit of the brush and just give it a little wee swipe along the bottom. That's it. I'm not even going to go back in to the tube. I'll link this down below for you if you want to check it out. But again, it does have a big brush, but I don't get any panned out eyes throughout the day. So to me, you know, that's good. That's a win-win. So yeah. Okay. Gonna get close and personal now. Here we go. So this is the finished look. I'm just gonna look down. I think it looks really, really cool. This palette blended out like a dream. Guess below what you think the palette is that I used. You can see the colours. Hopefully you can see the shimmery shades. So tilt like that. So that sparkle on the dots. Just gonna turn this light off. Don't know if that helps. You see the colours a bit better, or it's better with the light on. Okie dokie. Thank you so much for coming back and watching. Or if you're new here, thank you for watching my video, and please consider subscribing if you haven't already. I mean the world to me. I do lots of makeup tutorials, reviews and so much more. And now this, if it's a hit and if you all like it, let me know down below in the comments, and let me know what you think this palette is that I used on my eyes. I'll also leave a picture and some little hints down below in the comment section. Like I already said, I'm waffling on. Anyway, please give me a big fat juicy thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video. And remember guys, makeup should be fun. Don't take it too seriously, and always, always take care of yourselves. Okay guys, love you all.